Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, we're going to explore green cleaning, how it impacts the environment, and how it can impact your business. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, today I want to talk to you about green cleaning. Now, that's a word that caught on quite a few years ago, and it really means to clean without affecting the environment, or at least limiting the effect on the environment. Let's face it, everything has an effect on the environment. Everything that we do, our daily life, has an impact on the environment. Traditional cleaning methods, though, do impact the environment, like, for example, hot water extraction. In the case of hot water extraction, we take a pre-spray with solvents and surfactants and we spray the carpet. Now, to start with, that's a strong concoction of chemical, typically, that we're going to introduce to the carpet. And then we're going to spray our solution, our cleaning solution, into the carpet, our rinse solution, and we're going to extract that water from the carpet. Now, what we're extracting is the pre-spray and the soil that was originally there, and we're going to use a lot of water to rinse the carpet. And what we're taking out of the carpet now is contaminated water, obviously, and that's going to go into our sewage waste treatment. But what we've taken is starting point clean water and we've turned it into contaminated water. In addition, if we're running a truck mount, for example, we're burning fossil fuel and it's producing emissions at the same time. By comparison, encapsulation has a lower impact. I'm not going to say it has no impact, but it has a lower impact because we're cleaning with much less water. 1 gallon of water diluted as detergent is going to clean about 300 square feet of carpet. So 1,000 square feet, we're going to use about 3 gallons of water, just over 3 gallons. So by comparison, we're using far less water than we would use if we were doing hot water extraction cleaning. Also, the detergents that we use are generally safer. Sodium lauryl sulfate, ammonium lauryl sulfate, these are moderately mild detergents like what we would wash our hair with. So we're not using caustic chemicals, we're using a lot of agitation instead to get the carpet clean. So we're able to get the carpets clean without using as much water, without disposing of as much water. And then when it comes to the extraction process, post-vacuuming pulls the soil out of the carpet during the normal routine of post-vacuuming, and that dry soil is simply dry soil that goes into the vacuum, goes into our landfill, and yes, that's an impact, but it's a lower impact than what we would have with traditional hot water extraction. So by default, encapsulation cleaning lessens the impact on the environment, and then when we think about the machine that we're not running a truck mount, we're running a machine that can be plugged into a 15 amp circuit. So again, these things contribute to a lower impact on the environment. But to take it a step further, here at Excellent Supply, with our Release It product line, we have really focused on making sure that all of our ingredients are safe for the user and for the environment. But for the green aspect, we also developed a product called bio-encap. This is bio-encap right here. Now, what we did with bio-encap, we still wanted the same cleaning performance that we would expect to see in all of our Release It products, and bio-encap delivers. It cleans great, but it also encapsulates just like our other products. But what we did is we selected products from the EPA's DFE registry of raw ingredients, and that's what we built this with. So it's built with detergents that would qualify for the EPA standards of products that are not going to harm the environment. That being said, none of our products are dangerous for the environment, but this one just takes it a step further. So if you're thinking about looking at green cleaning, you want to bring in a product that's going to deliver results, clean well, but also check that box for being really a green product from start to finish, I encourage you to give bio-encap a try. It's a wonderful product, and if green cleaning is your niche and you're really trying to build that segment of your business, this would be a great product to go with. Now, that being said, green cleaning does have a place in the market, and when you can sell that to your customer that you're using a system and a detergent that greatly diminishes the effect on the environment, that can go a long way to helping you acquire new customers, especially those that are oriented toward a green cleaning approach. So give that a try. I'll put the link to bio-encap in the description below. If you've had an opportunity to use this product, would love to hear your comments too. it's just one more way we want to help you max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. So thank you for watching this episode. Like I said, share your comments below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.